Welcome back to Olivia Phoenix AI. You've probably seen many AI channels using 3D avatars and AI voices to make money on YouTube. But have you ever wanted to create your own 3D AI avatar and earn passive income? Presenting the world's first hyper-realistic 3D, just like the ones you're seeing on my screen. Amazing, right? With Render.ai, you can customize your 3D AI avatar's dress, character, hairstyle, background, and so much more. All by just typing in some text. It's literally mind-blowing how easy it is. Thanks to Render.ai, this futuristic tech is now at your fingertips. In today's video, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to use Render.ai to bring your ideas to life. We'll go step by step through the process, and by the end, you'll be creating your own 3D avatars like a pro. So if you're ready to take your content to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the world of 3D video creation with Render.ai. Click the link in my description, and you will be directly taken to the world's first 3D AI avatars. Here you can see how Render works. Let's make one model for me. I click Get Started for free. Now you can see some templates like Doctor Advisory, News, and more. I want to create my own scenes, so I click the Create option, and then select Landscape. This is the main work area where I can edit and customize everything, like 3D avatars, camera scenes, background, voice, and many more. I click the Generate option and select the large stage scene. You can see how perfectly I can launch any new product by making these types of scenes and videos. Wow! And if I click here more, you can see how many large stages are available. Wow! Amazing! Look at this large stage, guys. It looks professional. I select this, and now it's time to select a 3D avatar. I click Avatar, and here you will see many AI 3D avatars. I select this one named Ashley. Amazing! It behaves like a real human. Wow! I love these 3D avatars, guys. You can also design your own avatars. Let me show you how it works. I click on Try, and you'll see a 3D AI avatar. If you want a male AI avatar, you can click here and select Male, and you'll see lots of male AI avatars. Wow! But I'll go with a female character, Amelia. She looks quite nice. Suppose I want to change Amelia's costume. I click on Outfit, and here I see lots of dresses for my AI avatar. I'll select this one. Oh my! Amelia looks gorgeous now. I click on Hairstyle, and you can see I try many hairstyles for Amelia, my AI avatar. There are lots of hairstyles to choose from. Click on this one and wow! It suits Amelia's face nicely. Then you can add additional accessories like glasses. You can see how chic Amelia looks now. Wow! Then I'll select Makeup, where I can add face makeup to my AI avatar. You can see how perfect it is. And there you have it. I've designed my avatar. Wow! After selecting this avatar, I go to the Generate option and paste my script. Then I am in the Studio section, where I choose different types of studios for my videos. After choosing your studio, click Avatar. As I said, I like this avatar, so I click it. Then click Script. You can generate a script here by clicking AI Script, but you can also upload a script. Since I already wrote the script using Chat 4.0, I did not use this option. Now, on the right side, you can see the voice option. Click here and choose a perfect fitting voice for your AI model. Let's play one voice to check the quality.
Hello there, children. How are you today? Welcome to another fun Learning with Kids. Last time we had learned about addition.
Now guys, after your studio is selected, 3D AI avatar is selected, and script is pasted, and voice is selected. All these things are done. Now click 3D Generate. Before clicking 3D Generate, I add additional elements like camera movements, character walking actions, and any other necessary details. Then to just check the preview. Okay, let's play.
Hello and welcome to the Angel Max. Today, we're excited to introduce a new character on the channel, Meet Ezekiel. You can expect amazing performances from this character, and we're launching it very soon. So,
wow, good. Also, if I go back and click the action button, you can change the AI actions. You can see options like goodbye, hands up, thank you. I will add greeting at the starting point. If I click shot, you can change the shot position. You can also add your assets. If you'd like to display images or videos corresponding to your scripts, click Upload above the clip, then tap 3D Generate again. Your media will now be displayed on the screen, like you can see on my screen. Wow! Amazing, right? Simple. From here, you can directly export your 3D video or head over to CM-Edit to fine-tune your camera shots or fully present content on the screen. Still not satisfied? Go to Elements, where you can easily edit media and add text to create rich, high-quality packaging effects. Alright guys, see you again in the next video. Love you all, my friends. You're smart people for watching this video.